What's up everyone? Welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to add unsubscribe link to Mailchimp. So stick around to the very end so you can understand how you can do this. The first thing we'll need to do on our Mailchimp page is to click on create at the top left corner, and right here we're going to click on design email. Right here you're going to come over to content and click on design email. Click on start from scratch, and we're going to click on add a paragraph. So we're going to drag and drop this paragraph to the bottom, and here we're going to type unsubscribe. And then after writing unsubscribe, you can highlight it and make some edits. Right now we've made it bolder. This is better. Now we're going to be looking for a merge tag icon. You may not find it at first. However, what you need to do with your mouse and your keyboard, you're going to click on Control and then use the scroll button on your mouse to reduce the size of your web page. And when you do this, you can now see merge tags. We're going to click on it, look for unsubscribe, and you can see unsubscribe link. We're going to click on it. And next, we're going to highlight this, click on Control X on your keyboard. This cuts it away. However, it's going to be on the clipboard. Then you're going to highlight unsubscribe, go over to link right here, click on it. Now what we're going to do here is to simply paste what we cut. And now we have what we cut and it's pasted right here. We're going to click on save, and you'll notice what's going to happen to the unsubscribe right here. It's going to become a hyperlink. And right now, this is now a hyperlink because you can see it's underlined. And now the unsubscribe link is added to the unsubscribed text. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.